Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have WhatsApp and images ready? Open the app and go straight to a chat. Tap the emoji icon, then the sticker tab to access stickers. Once there, press the plus button to view official packs. This starts both browsing and importing. If you plan to use custom stickers, make sure your images are PNG or WebP with transparent backgrounds before leaving this screen. This first step gets you inside the sticker interface so you can add or create packs quickly. Next, decide whether to install a pack or create one. To add official packs, tap Download. They appear in your sticker tray immediately. If you create packs, use a Sticker Maker app, import photos, crop to remove backgrounds, and add transparent edges. Make sure each sticker is WebP at roughly 512 x 512 px and under 100 KB so WhatsApp accepts them. Once done, export the pack and select Add to WhatsApp. This registers the pack. Finally, send and manage stickers during conversations. Tap to send, long press to add to favorites or delete from a pack. If a pack won't add, make sure files are WebP/PNG, meet size limits, and that WhatsApp has storage permission. These checks fix most import failures. If stickers still fail to appear, try clearing WhatsApp cache or reinstalling the sticker pack. These final steps complete the process, and the troubleshooting tip helps you recover when common issues block sticker use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.